So what happens when someone calls us and they have a type of case that we don't handle? The answer is pretty simple. One, we don't handle it, so we let them know right away. That's not something we handle. It's outside of our practice area, and we're highly specialized. We're very, very good at what we do, but we need to focus on that and not become general practitioners, good at everything, great at nothing, right? We want to be great at what we do. So we really focus on personal injury, plaintiff side or injured party side. And when we get those calls, again, we're polite, sorry, we don't handle that type of case. But what we can do is refer you or give you names of folks that maybe do handle that case or would be a good fit for you. For example, if it's a criminal defense matter, we may give the person, 2 or 3 names of criminal defense attorneys in their area that we feel do a good job, have a good reputation. If it's a divorce case, same thing with divorce attorneys. If it's a probate case, same thing with probate attorneys. So we're trying to hook people up with the right lawyer for them. Now, sometimes we don't have any contacts in their area, and so we have to give them the Oregon State Bar referral service number, which is a number that the Oregon State Bar has that a person can call, and they can be matched up potentially with a list of lawyers that tend to practice in that area. So that's kind of our backstop, but we do have other ways to get folks over to people that we know that we think might do a good job for them. Something else we can do too is we have a network of lawyers in Oregon, and so we can put their information up on this network sort of database, and one or more of those lawyers can reach out to the client. If they choose to allow us to do that, we can certainly do that. But generally speaking, we're simply dropping names, giving phone numbers, and that's that. So we don't actively connect the potential client with the attorney that handles that different area of law. What we do is give the potential client, right, the person calling in, the list of names and numbers so that they can reach out if they so choose, or they can reach out to somebody else if they feel more comfortable with somebody else.